everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello, John.
Hello, Joyce.
And John and I are on the Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas, and we are having dinner at the specialty restaurant Giovanni's, and we're going to share the experience with you. First, I'll show you the menu, and I'm going to go slow. But if you'd like to see it for longer, you can always pause your device. And on the other side, they have pastas. And then they have a pasta of the night and a soup of the night. Tonight's pasta is linguine with pesto. And those are the entrees. So they recommend that you order one of the starters and a pasta and an entree. So we're going to go ahead and place our order, and we'll be back when the food arrives. Let me give you a quick look around. So that's the back room. The first of our food items have arrived. We have a meat and cheese board, or a charcuterie, as they call it today. And we have a basket with some bread that's already been dug into. We're going to go ahead. We have olive oil and balsamic with cheese. We're going to go ahead and try some of this, and we'll be back with the next course. The next course has arrived. I ordered the buffalo mozzarella and tomato salad, and that is a pesto around the outside and a balsamic glaze on top. John ordered the roasted pork belly. It's essentially a big, thick piece of bacon. And Richard is here with us. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us for dinner.
My pleasure.
What did you order?
The lentil soup.
Is that the soup of the day?
It is. Yep.
Looks good. Miss Unknown ordered the same as me, minus the tomatoes. Okay. We'll be back. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. You just tap the thumbs up button. That lets us know what you're enjoying, and it really helps out the channel quite a bit. We really appreciate it. Our main entree has arrived. I ordered the osso buco. Oh, goodness. It looks amazing. That's polenta underneath there. And the other entree is a filet mignon. And another filet mignon. And another osso buco. And we got 3 sides to share for the table. Eggplant parmesan. Mushroom risotto. And the pasta of the day, which is linguine with pesto. Everything looks delicious. We'll see you for dessert. It is dessert menu time. And these are the dessert options. And then they have coffees.
Yes.
And we'll be back after we order. If you haven't done so already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Just tap the subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell. That will let you know of new videos that we post. It's dessert time. I ordered the cannolis. They look really good. Pistachio tutti frutti. And we have creme brulee, which they don't have on the menu here, but We asked the server if they would go to the main dining room to get it, and he gladly did. We have 2 orders of creme brulee, and John ordered the tiramisu. And we got a little special surprise. It is the birthday month for me and Brittany. Yay! Happy birthday. Oh, now you know who our secret person is. It's Brittany, Richard's lovely wife. Okay, we're going to eat dessert. We'll be back with our final thoughts. To start, I had the mozzarella and tomato salad, and it was good. The tomatoes were very fresh, the mozzarella was delicious, and the balsamic glaze made it that much better. For my entree, I had the osso buco, which to me seemed like a double portion. I could only eat maybe a third of it. It was delicious. And I said it was polenta under it. It wasn't, it was mashed potatoes. It was very good. For the sides, we had risotto. The mushroom risotto was fantastic. I thought it needed a little salt, but other than that, it was delicious. And I actually tried the linguine with pesto. I really didn't care for it. It didn't taste like pesto to me. So I passed on that. But other than that, everything was very good. For dessert, I had the cannoli, and they were excellent.
The osso buco was great. I get that whenever we go on Royal, which is not that often anymore. And the eggplant parmesan was a little too salty for me. The tiramisu was really good. Other than that, the cappuccino was good, and my whiskey sour was
The service was very good.
Oh yeah, the service was excellent.
I forgot to comment about the service. Service was excellent.
Yeah.
And Richard?
Everything was delicious. 0 complaints.
Excellent.
Very good.
Okay.
Yep.
There you have it. High recommendation from all of us for Giovanni's on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. As always, we appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day.